Now, okay, we have said that green architecture should be the thing that we should do now, right? So we have mentioned that it benefits the environment, it benefits the health and safety of human beings. Pero ang pinaka-importante sa lahat, when we are doing, say, presentations to clients, first and foremost, they have to know what is their profit. Ano yung benefit nila in terms of profit, okay? For you to easily remember also, no? Environment, health, and safety, wag na. Just remember the 3 P's. Planet, people, and profit. Yun ang 3 bottom line, the benefits. Okay, what are the financial profits? Earlier, architect Edgar Reformado mentioned that in green architecture, you can save money. But when you can save money, that means you can profit from it as well. Huh? In terms of energy efficiency, I mentioned that earlier. If you can save millions of pesos, your millions can go to other things. Maybe travel or build another business. No? So in residentials, even in residentials, it makes a big difference if you consider your energy savings. You can also save through indoor air quality. So paano ba yun, no? If you have an office and you have very good people who don't get sick, who don't get absent, that means your office becomes more productive. No? So mas marami kang nagagawa para sa opisina mo, you get more profits out of it. Alright? So there's better productivity for your employees and for the building occupants. You have healthier, happier people. In fact, in many states ngayon, in the US, inuuna nila ang hospitals and schools because they have realized the effect of environmental indoor air quality for these buildings. Ang laki ng health benefits for both students and for patients. So I think even in our buildings, we should also practice this. You also get cost savings through resource conservation. If you can just renovate or retrofit a building, an existing building, marami ka ng materials na matitibid. You just reuse, recycle, and then you get lots of cost savings out of it. And of course, this is the most important for owners and developers. You increase your property value. Everyone now is talking about green. For example, if I have a building that's green, and another which I'm selling to you, and another one is selling a non-green building. My building saves a lot of energy. My building has considered indoor air quality, but the other one is completely the opposite. We have the same price, piso. Which building are you going to buy? Of course, the one which is more benefits for you. So increase in property value. No? So these are the important benefits of green architecture and green buildings. Summary. I mentioned this earlier, no? The traditional buildings output. But if you design green, this is what you'll be saving. Hindi lang profits, no? But in terms of water use, in carbon dioxide emissions, meaning yung climate natin, the poprotektahan din natin, ano? And then waste cost and then energy. So you do get a lot of savings. Summary again. Remember SWINE, just the 5 categories. Site. What's the next one? What is W? Water. I is indoor air quality and materials, and E is? Okay, you can do the next presentation, alam niyo na. Alright? And then PPP, the benefits. This is people, planet, and profits. Alright, so it's easy, right? Okay. I have given earlier, right, the first part of the slide. This is the last one. I've given several definitions of what green is. For me, I have, since there is no standard green building rating system yet, that we are following, at least here in the Philippines. I have concocted my own definition of green architecture. But for you to define your own, my definition, I have to ask questions to myself. Does my design support the health and well-being of the occupants, construction personnel, the public, and the environment? If I answer yes, then I'm okay. But I have to go to the next question. Am I using energy, water, and material resources efficiently? Considering extraction, manufacture, use, installation, and disposal, if my answer is yes, I'm fine, but I have to ask myself another question. Do I believe that the construction materials I use can be tagged as affordable and durable with respect to life cycle analysis and life cycle costs? LCA and LCCs are software products that you can use in computing the cost and life cycle of your products or of your building, para you know your investment hanggang saan tatagal. And then if I answer that, I'm very much okay with that, but again, I have to answer my last question. I have to answer it with another yes. Will my design be able to enhance, improve, or give a better quality of life to the environment and everyone? Look at all the underlined words. It starts, look at the beginning letters. It spells heal. Okay? If I can design that, if I can heal through my design, then I know, I am confident that I can deliver a green structure, a green building, and I know that I can make a difference. And I hope that you too, before you leave, do not forget the basic elements, the basic categories of what green and sustainable design is. Remember the benefits, keep it in mind. It's easy to be green, put it in your head. It's easy to be green-minded. And if you remember that, I'm sure you are on your way to a better future, better environment for the future. Thank you.